here. I just got off the Blizzard's Viva 7.7s. I would give these skis a 3 out of 5. They are an intermediate to advanced ski. So if you're looking for something to, push you around and be able to get on edge, these will absolutely do that for you. The only reason that I wasn't too keen on them is they're not quite as stable as I would have liked them to be. So if you're charging through some of the crud and things like that, these will move around a little bit on you, but if you're sticking to straight groomers, then these are going to be a great ski.